Bring more opportunities to your digital life. VideoSolo Screen Recorder is a versatile all-in-one screen capture and editor that meets all your needs in the recording. It works both on Windows and Mac. In this video, I will fully walk you through how to use VideoSolo Screen Recorder. After launching the software, you will see its really straightforward UI design. Even a beginner can quickly master how to use it. In the main interface, it provides different capture modes for efficient recording: video recorder, audio recorder, game recorder, phone recorder, and more. Move up to the menu. Here you can customize your display scaling, language, and switch to preference settings. Moreover, after you get the registration code, just click here to register your account. At the bottom, you can find some advanced recording features like record history, auto-stop the recording, schedule a recording task, and add a specific watermark to your recorded video. Their specific operations will be introduced in detail later. Just go ahead or skip to the corresponding part through the timestamp below. As the name suggested, Video Recorder is used to record the computer screen as a video with audio. So first choose Video Recorder to enter the window. Here you can choose the recording region you want. For convenience, we prepared some common regions and device regions for you to choose from. You can select the full window or select the region you want like this. Audio and webcam are two important elements to make sure your audience better understand what you are doing. To record yourself and the screen at the same time, you can enable the webcam camera, then click Setting to choose the resolution, style, opacity, and preset position of the webcam camera you want in advance. Then toggle on the system sound and microphone to add some explanation to the tutorial and make it clearer. And adjust them to your desired volume. To reduce noise from your microphone and enhance its volume, click the microphone's drop-down menu here. Then tick the two boxes. After that, click Sound Check to have a sound check ahead of time to make sure your audio records are successful. After all settings are done, now click Rec icon to start recording. During the recording, you can take snapshots to save the frame or emphasize to your audience later. To highlight something important, you can add a rectangle, ellipse, line, arrow, brush, or airbrush to the video according to your situation and change their size and color. Besides, you can also add text and select the font size and color you want. Most importantly, it has a partial magnification function, and here you can change its enlarge times, size, shape, and pattern. And you can also add annotations like 1, 2, 3, etc. and change their color to enable your audiences to better understand the frame you say. After the recording ends, click the red stop icon, then a video preview screen will automatically appear. Trim the part you want and finally click Done to save it to your PC. Audio recorder is only recording audio from system sound or microphone. It is relatively simple to operate. Here select Audio Recorder to continue. To record your system sound from the computer and microphone sound from you at the same time, just toggle on both buttons. Then turn to the Output setting and select Sound section. Here adjust your system and microphone sound to your desired volume. Tick both boxes to perform microphone noise cancellation and volume enhancement. Then click Start Sound Check to make sure the audio was recorded successfully. Eventually, click SEC to start recording. You can control audio recording by clicking Pause, Stop, Set record length, and settings buttons. Once you're done, select the red stop icon, then you will enter a preview window. Here you can trim the part you want and finally click Done if you are satisfied with it. Game Recorder is designed for recording the game in progress and can lock the game window. Now select Game Recorder to go ahead. Then the main interface of this recording mode will pop up. As the window reminds us, if you hide or exit the game window, the program will automatically end the recording, and it will lock the game window to record without distraction. Now click the first modules to select the ongoing game window from the pull-down menu. Then click OK. Next, you can enable or disable the webcam, computer system sound, and microphone to decide whether to use them or not. To record yourself and the screen at the same time, you can enable the webcam camera, then click Setting to choose the resolution, style, opacity, and preset position of the webcam camera you want in advance. Then turn to the output settings. It supports lossless recording and up to 60 frames per second output so that you can record the game with high quality and no lag. Then select the sound section. Here adjust the system and microphone sound to your desired volume. Tick the two boxes to reduce microphone noise and enhance its volume. After that, click Start Sound Check to make sure whether you're satisfied with the sound or not. Finally, hit the rec icon to start recording your ongoing game. Here you can capture the screen you want. After finishing recording, you can click Stop to preview what you have recorded. Then click Done to save your video. Now go to the phone recorder. Phone Recorder can not only enable you to easily mirror your iPhone and Android to PC or MacBook via Wi-Fi or USB, but also can record it at the same time. If you want to mirror your iPhone to PC or Mac and record together, here we choose iOS Recorder. It supports screen or only audio mirroring and recording to your computer at the same time via Wi-Fi. Next, make sure your device and computer are connected to the same LAN. Then swipe up from the bottom to open Control Center, if you want to mirror and record your device screen with audio to your computer. Here click Screen Mirroring to open the drawdown list. Then select VideoSolo Screen Recorder and wait for the connection. Now, you may see your iPhone screen shown on your computer. Before recording, you can additionally configure the device resolution up to 4K, output resolution, and recording content. After that, click Record to start recording. The presentation and recording are synchronized and may be seen and recorded in HD without any quality loss and latency. Here you can take a snapshot or set a recording length, size, or ending time to stop recording automatically. And here open the drop-down menu to decide whether to shut down, sleep, or exit your computer when done. After the recording is finished, click the red stop icon to preview your recorded video. Then click Done to save it to your computer. If you just want to record the audio of the phone, just follow the text and GIF guide here. You will find it quite simple to do. If you're an Android user, then go back to the main interface of Phone Recorder. Select the Android Recorder to proceed. This feature provides two connected ways, Wi-Fi connection and USB connection. If you don't have a USB cable around, no worries. Just install PhoneLab Mirror software on your Android phone and then run it. Then you can choose to detect, input PIN code, or scan QR code to connect wirelessly. Now tap on the detect icon in the app to start searching devices. When you see your computer name shown, click Connect to start casting screen. Now, you can see your Android phone screen shown on the computer. The same, before recording, you can additionally configure the device resolution up to 4K, output resolution, and recording content. After that, click Record to start recording. The presentation and recording are synchronized and may be seen and recorded in HD without any quality loss and latency. After recording, click Stop to preview what you have recorded.
If you listen carefully enough.
Finally, tap on Done to save it to your computer for later sharing or watching. Now go to the Webcam Recorder. Apart from recording the webcam in high definition, Webcam Recorder can also help you record computer audio and microphone separately or at the same time. So here, select the output size of the webcam you want and adjust system and microphone sound to the desired volume. Lastly, click the record icon to start recording. Here you can also take a snapshot or set a recording length, size or ending time to stop recording automatically. Open the drop-down menu here to decide whether to shut down, sleep or exit your computer when done. Once you're done, a preview window will pop up. Now you can decide to trim the part you want. Then click Done to save it to your computer. Okay, the above is about the detailed operations of these 5 recording tools. To better meet your recording needs, go ahead. Next, we'll move on to its preferences and advanced features. VideoSolo Screen Recorder will provide flexible setting options to help you output the recordings in the parameters you want. Now turn to Output setting. Here you can change the location of output files and screenshot files. Select the screenshot format you want. On the video settings, here you can choose video format, quality, and frame rate you desire. The program supports up to 60 frames per second output, which means you will record the video more smoothly. On the audio settings, output format and audio quality are also able to choose from. Then turn to the sound section. Here you can adjust the system and microphone sound to your desired volume. Tick both boxes to reduce noise from your microphone and enhance its volume. Finally, click Start Sound Check to ensure a successful sound recording. Your cursor can draw the audience's attention and highlight the key points. So tick the 3 boxes to set up its effects. Click the gear icon to select the mouse cursor you want. Select the color of the mouse clicks and the mouse area. After setting up, click OK to save. Now let me show you the effects. We click and release. Then the cursor will show the 2 colors we set earlier. It's amazing, right? At the bottom of the interface, there are so many advanced recording features that you can set before recording. Click Recording History. You can quickly access your recorded video and audio. Click Auto Stop. Here you can set your recording length, recording file size, or ending time to auto-stop recording. Apart from that, you can also multi-segment recording continuously. For example, if you set each file length to 1 minute and set total recording length to 5 minutes. Then click OK and click Rec to record. After finishing, you will find your recorded video is continuously and repeatedly recorded into 5 different 1-minute video clips of equal length. Furthermore, you can also click Task Schedule to schedule a recording task in advance. Here enter your task name and set the start time and stop mode. Then choose the recording mode you want and click Manage to set the recording preset you want. Click Apply. Here you can decide whether to shut down your computer when end recording. Finally, click OK. Here your new task is, then it will auto-record what you want even if you're not on standby. Last but not least, here you can also add a specific watermark to your recorded video. Most importantly, under the Rec button, there are 4 advanced features to make your work more fluent. Around Mouse feature enables you to move the recording region which is centered on the mouse. Click around mouse and select the current area you set just now, then the recording will auto-start. Now move your mouse. Click stop. And you will find that the recording region really moves with the mouse as the center. So amazing! Follow the mouse feature allows you to follow the cursor but not center on the cursor when you move it. In the recorded video, you will find the recording region does not move when the mouse is inside the recording region, not the edge. Window recorder function can lock the recording area to avoid other disturbing things. You can select the window to record from the drop-down list, or drag the button beside the drop-down list to the area you want to record. Then click Record to start recording. Now let's come to the last function, Exclude Window and Record. With this feature, you can exclude the window so that it cannot appear in your recording video even though it's actually on the computer screen. Let's click Record to see how. Now switch to the window we excluded just now. Then click Stop to preview. You will find that it really doesn't show in your recorded video. That's all. Give a big thumbs up and subscribe for more.